Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on PlayStation Store. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Afterpay, and then log into your account. So log into your Afterpay account. You can do it on the browser or on the app. It's the same thing. So once you've logged in, so what you're going to do, you're going to search for PlayStation under shop now. So just search for PlayStation, and then what are you going to do? You're going to search for PlayStation. You're going to select the gift card option, because at the moment there is no direct way that you can use Afterpay. So the only way how you can use it is through gift card. So select the gift card option. So once you select the gift card option here, so what you're going to do now here is simply select the amount that you wish to top it up with, so purchase. So add in the value, select anything, and then hit on buy for yourself, and then complete the process. So you'll get the gift card here. So once you have purchased the gift card, now you can simply just go to the PlayStation Store site and then make any purchase and just go to the checkout session. So for example, here just choose anything that you wish to purchase and then go to the checkout. So when you get to the checkout option here, simply what you have to do, just redeem the discard option here. So your gift card option here, just redeem it and then use that and then redeem the value and then complete your purchase. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.